In this video, we are going to see how we can use this show value as options in pivot table. So let's take an example. Let's say that from the main data, we want the beverages wise sales total. So for each beverage, we want the sales total. Now, if we use the sum if formula, we just copy the complete data, remove the duplicates, and then apply a sum if formula here. But in pivot table, it's very simple. Just press alternate N, V, T and place it on a new worksheet. We want the beverages, right? So put the beverages in the rows and sales amount in the values. That's it. We have the beverage wise sales total. But let's say that we have this grand total, which is 100%, right? For all the products. Out of that 100%, what is the contribution in terms of percentage for each product? We want to convert it into percentage, like how much it contributed in the total sales. So what we can do is we can easily convert it into percentages. Right click here, show value as percentage of grand total. That's it. If the total sales is 100%, out of that Coca-Cola has contributed 18% in sales, while the Sprite contributed 25%, 13% is for 7-Up. Let's say that we want both. We will just remove the sales amount. Let's say we place it like this, sales amount. And if you want the percentage comparison, just put the sales amount again. And we have sum of sales amount too, but that should be changed as percentage contribution. Hit enter. And then we convert it to show value as percentage of grand total. So not only we have the sales amount, we have the percentage comparison as well. So that's how not only we can show value as different things like percentage comparison, we can also get double comparison based on the same fields. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.